Welcome back to the Data Story Data Challenge. I'm excited to see all your submissions. This is my submission. Check it out. What we have here is the average monthly payments as they increase through time due to two reasons. One is home prices are increasing, and then two, as interest rates change. So I call this the affordability graph. So it's looking at the average monthly payment for a 30-year mortgage across time as home values change and as interest rates change. So how did I create this graph? Here, I'll walk you through the steps. I start with the assumption that in 2000, the home prices were $119,000. This is an assumption. You could start with any value. The reason I pick $119,000 is because according to the CNBC article, the median house value in 2000 was $119,000. You have the growth rate in the Case-Shiller 20-City Composite Index. You could download this from Fred. I downloaded it from Fred, and then I calculated the change, the percentage change from month to month. Using the percentage change, I calculate the change in home values from one month to the next. I download the average 30-year fixed rate mortgage since January 1st, 2000, and in your data set you had access to this data, but you could download this from Fred as well. Here's the tricky part. Step number 6 is to use the payment function in Excel to calculate the payment using the current interest rate. The loan amount is equal to 80% of the average home price for that month. Doing that, I get the payment. For instance, in the first month, our payment is $711. And if you do this across time, you're then able to plot this graph. There's a couple assumptions here and a couple of issues with this data. It does not take into consideration changes in the CPI. Although I call this the home affordability graph, it actually would be better if I would calculate the average payment to income ratio per month across time. So there's different ways to do this, but this is how I use that data set to create this affordability graph. I look forward to seeing your graphs. Share them with me. Make sure to tag me at Dr. A. Albarani. If you enjoyed this and you want more of these challenges, leave a comment. Tell me about it.